Tiramisu is a great Valentine's Day dessert. It's rich, it's delicious, it looks elegant. I'm using espresso because I like it. You can just brew strong black coffee, but make it strong. To the coffee, you're gonna add salt, sugar, then I'm adding some Tia Maria. You have to stir that till the sugar is completely dissolved. You do not need to include the alcohol. It tastes just as good without it. Next thing we're gonna do is take the mascarpone, heavy cream. You cannot put it in a mixer in this stage because you would just get whipped cream with clumps in it. Traditional tiramisu also incorporates egg yolk and sugar that's whisked together. So that's the step we cut out and trying to make a quicker version. Some sugar. The important part, start on low. Slow whip to this. You want to increase the volume. Do not beat it fast. It'll go immediately into whipped cream and that's not what you want. You want something that's spreadable. And when you're not sure, don't risk it. Don't overdo it. You want just short of whipped cream. Let's take this off. We're almost done. We're gonna build it. This is an 8x8 baking dish. Get any dry champagne biscuit, ladyfinger. These ladyfingers are dry, not sponge. Like 1, 2, and take it out. They will drink. It's amazing. You start to lay them in your dish. Just really 1, 2 them. 1, 2, out. You're gonna make a layer of ladyfingers. Now, we're gonna put a layer of cream. Like lasagna, we're gonna make layers, that's all. Cream, ladyfinger, up to you what you wanna see on the top. Me, I end up with ladyfingers because this is such a rich dessert. I actually use the ladyfinger as my guide to cutting a portion. This is a dessert that you can make a day ahead. It'll last 3-4 days in the refrigerator, and the longer that it's in there, the better it tastes, the more the flavors come together. Cover and refrigerate. You need for the cream to firm up. You need 3 or 4 hours. So it's a good make a day ahead dessert. It's fast, it's easy. Okay. When the cream is nice and firm, you take it out of the refrigerator and you dust it with cocoa. As much or as little as you like. So the cocoa powder goes right at the point of serving. First piece is usually the tough one to get out. So if that turns into a boo-boo, get rid of it quick, eat it. I think that it's a delicious dessert if you add berries. So that's it, a quick, easy, delicious tiramisu. Happy Valentine's Day.